He's 4.
You're 4?
He's got the attitude of a 15-year-old, though.
Yeah, Daddy, I like it.
The only thing he's going to have to do while he's down there is they're going to hand him a rope to hold on to
Okay.
while they lower the cable. Will he be able to do that?
You should be able to, yeah.
They're going to hand you a rope when you're down there.
Is that okay, Teddy?
They'll tell you.
You listen to the guys, okay? Mommy's got a crap when I sent her this video from home.
Is your mom at home?
No, she's down at probably the pool, but she doesn't know that they're doing the big one.
Tell. Oh my gosh. Okay, put your arm around me. You're a little guy. I gotta lift you up. Put your arm around me. Are you excited? Hey guys, this is a quick rule.
Okay?
Don't lay down backwards, okay? Stay sitting. You don't have to hold your body weight up. Okay?
Are you okay, Teddy? Teddy B, are you okay? Just hold on to the rope, okay?
Alright, bud. See how you're sitting in this? You don't have to hold yourself up. Just hold on nice and loose, okay? You don't have to squeeze hard. You ready?
Are you okay?
He's good.
Are you okay?
Have fun. Ready? Here we go.
Sunday! Go, Teddy! Woo! Oh, man. Oh.
There you go. You have fun?
Oh, yeah.
Great. All right. You guys have a great day.
Charlie, so you don't want to do it, buddy? Okay.
Oh, man. Your mom's going to go crazy.
Yeah, it was supposed to be just the adults doing this, but...
For kids, too.
Absolutely.